Hey, welcome back to another episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by my amazing team here, Solar Wolf Energy. And today we're going to bring home the subject of supply and demand, right? So right now, whether you're in the industry, and if you're not, you may not know this, but there is a serious constraint right now in getting materials. Obviously, we all know the costs are going up, right? That's no longer a hidden gem anymore. So the costs are going up, but on top of this, we have another issue, which is constraint, right? Which is how long it's taking to get from manufacturer to your roof is going to take longer. This should be a video that everyone should share around and so we can make the whole industry cognizant of what's about to happen. From the guys up on the roof and the gals up on the roof, to the people in the office, the people selling, right? The people designing, pulling permits, just everybody in the industry should already know, if you don't, that the timelines are going to increase pretty drastically. Not only are they going to increase, but I feel like homeowners and potential end users, clients, business owners, they should be aware of this too. So the point of this video is to really make something so that we can show within the industry that it is important, that people understand and they're told up front that it's going to take longer to get their materials. The install is going to take longer. This is a known problem, and if you don't know this and you're in the industry, hopefully now you do. And with that, I'll leave you for another episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by my amazing team here, Solar Wolf Energy. Thank you.